Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today I'm going to put the Oliver Green Mare on the bracelet. I meant to do it earlier, just haven't gotten around to it, so I'm going to try to do this on camera here. Feels like a nice solid bracelet here. It's got the solid end links, the solid links, and then the milled clasp here. Only downside maybe is depending on how you think about it, it appears to have split pins. Screw links to be a little easier to size, maybe a little more secure, but split pins aren't bad either. So let's. I guess I should have taken the plastic off before starting this video. Yeah, I like the Jubilee bracelet. One of my favorite bracelet styles, and I would say this is a Jubilee bracelet as well. All right. We'll just put this on and then put it on wrist so I can get an idea of how many links I need to take out, what I need to do here. I need to figure out which way the clasp is supposed to go. So the safety clasp is at the bottom. There, like that, I think. There we go. Oh, I guess I'll list this as a paid promotion because I received this watch and I don't need to send it back. So I'll list it as a paid promotion, and also I have a discount code to this watch as well, and that will be in the description also. So I'm going to try to remove 2 links per side. I think that should be good. Oh, still plastic on the clasp here. Very nicely packaged, that's for sure. More plastic to put in my pocket. So yeah, let's take off 2 per side here. This is just a kitchen trivet, whatever you're supposed to say, I don't know. But yeah, I have a link for these in the description as well. The same has the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now let's just try 2 per side. One pin out. try that for now, see how it fits. So we'll take out 2 on this side. Oh, I don't need to put those back in. What am I doing here? Took out too many. Yep, so I'll pause the video and I'll throw another one back in. Just bending my skin over here, so obviously a bit too tight. Alright, let me put another link back in here and I'll be right back. Alright, so I was a bit off on that one. I ended up putting 2 links back on this side, so I really just needed to remove 2 from this side, and then I adjusted up 1 micro adjust here. So on the second micro adjust in there, on these 4 micro adjusts. So I'll be wearing this on the bracelet for a bit here. I think I already like it better on the bracelet than on the silicone straps. I'm more of a bracelet guy anyway. So yeah, looking forward to spending more time with this watch here. That will conclude this video. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Like the video, leave a comment below. Some long male lugs there. Female would be better. More so like the Seiko SKX with the female links. That's where these inner center links go into the case instead of sticking out from the case like this one. Alright, as always, thank you for taking the time and thank you for watching.